Hello friends, once again welcome to Happy Ouch. So friends, Emergency has come once again with a new collection and new products in a new video. You can purchase all these products online from home through Amazon online shopping app. Links for emergency buying have been mentioned in the solution box. You can also check the price from there by clicking on the link. You can also check about the product. But without going, let's start today's video of deli. Hand press used in the kitchen. This machine in which how can you make beautiful and shaped flower shapes and cook in this way. Vegetable grater and slicer in which double a car basket is given. Along with this, a long handle is also given in it for holding. With the help of different blades, you can grate the vegetables in different pieces. This double self-grinder used in the kitchen set is made in this design. In this, you can keep all the spoons, etc. organized properly in this way. Along with this you can also rotate it and can also use it for the bathroom. This is a dish organizer used in the cabinet, which can also be slid. In this way, you can organize the plates and bowls properly and keep them in the kitchen cabinet. You will get this type of rags at different prices on Amazon. You can put such rags in the front area of the special kitchen sink like water barrier and water card, due to which it stops any water that comes out. This is an electric grinder used as a multipurpose in the kitchen, in which you can do all the jobs like vegetable meat, spice etc. in this. Along with this, a blender set is given. You can also blend in it. This is a very useful gadget for the kitchen. This is an egg organizer tray for storing eggs, in which you can store around 20 eggs in a single tray. You can also keep it in the kitchen counter and fridge. You can also keep it in a stack. Drag this ball which you can keep on the side of the kitchen shelf. You can wash fruits, vegetables, and balls in it and keep them in this rack to dry. These are beautiful LED balls which you can use at home. You can also use them in any function at home, birthday party, etc. They provide you light in different colors. This double layer basket, in which a lid is also given in the strainer base. You can use it to wash fruits and vegetables in the kitchen. These are made of silicone. You can also keep these in the fridge. This oil bottle made in Unitizen has a brush made of silicone for spreading the oil. In this way, while cooking, you can apply oil on the food with the help of this brush. You can keep these neatly in the kitchen. These hanging bags are made in net type. In this, you can specially organize garlic, onion, ginger, and keep them in it in this way. This is a 3-tier space organizer used in the corner of the kitchen, which has a lot of space. In this you can organize your spaces as well as space, stove knob and other things in it and keep it on the kitchen counter and in the corner of the kitchen. Anti-aeration. This pad which has a magnet at the bottom can be stuck on such a surface. It can be put on the 4 legs of the special machine, so that you can protect it from being vibrated. Look at this disorganizer of tumbler which is made of metal wire. In this you can keep bowls and plates and stack for drying after washing. Lady Susan, these are rags, which can be rotated as well. This can be kept on the kitchen counter and in the cabinet. In this you can use by filling the spaces. Along with this, you can keep bottles of oil.